Number 102, draw a graph with the following conditions. So we have the limit as x approaches infinity, and that equals 4. So this limit at infinity, this gives us a horizontal asymptote at y equals 4. So we can draw a horizontal asymptote if we want to. Now, as x approaches positive infinity, that means as the curve goes to the right, y is going to approach 4. So it's going to do something like that. Now we have another horizontal asymptote. The limit as x approaches negative infinity, so to the left, we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 1. So we know, at least on this side, it's going to be horizontal. Now f of 2 is 3. So that means when x is 2, y is 3. So 2 comma 3, we have a closed circle at this point. Now notice that when the limit is 2, y is 2. So we have an open circle at 2 comma 2 in order for the limit to exist. So here we have an open circle, and because this is a general limit, it's not a one-sided limit, on the left side and on the right side it needs to converge at that open circle. So we could draw a graph like this. This particular graph will meet all the conditions that we have. As x goes to infinity, we could see y goes to 4, and as we go to the left, when x approaches negative infinity, y goes to 1. We have f of 2 is equal to 3, and then the limit as x approaches 2 goes to 2. So that's how we could sketch a graph with the following limit conditions.